What if I told you the reason your book isn't selling has nothing to do with the writing? You could have the most brilliant story or life-changing guide, but if your cover looks amateur, people won't click. They won't even give your words a chance. In the crowded Amazon marketplace, your book cover is your first and often only chance to make a strong impression. So ask yourself, would you click on your own book? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a professional KDP book cover using 100% free tools available in 2025. No expensive software, no design degree required. We'll uncover the 3 critical rules every best-selling cover follows, reveal the best up-to-date free design platforms you can start using today, and I'll even walk you through a real-time example of building a cover from scratch. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have the skills to design confidently, but also the strategies to stand out in a sea of mediocre covers. But here's the real kicker. These design hacks don't just make your book look better. They can actually boost your sales and credibility overnight. If you want to gain more knowledge on Amazon KDP, subscribe to Silent Publisher for more content like this. Let's dive in. Your book cover isn't just a decoration. It's a silent salesperson. Before anyone reads your blurb or checks reviews, they see that cover. And in less than 1 second, they decide if your book is worth clicking on. That's the harsh reality of online publishing. Think about it. Would you buy a product on Amazon with a blurry, outdated, or awkward photo? Of course not. Your book cover works the same way. It instantly communicates professionalism, genre, and tone. Or it drives people away. Studies show that books with compelling covers get up to 35% more clicks in Amazon search results. That's not a small boost. That's the difference between getting buried and getting noticed. And here's the wild part. Even a free DIY cover can outperform a paid one if it nails the fundamentals. The key is knowing what matters most. A strong cover grabs attention, triggers emotion, and creates curiosity, all without saying a word. That's why it's not just about looking nice. It's about converting browsers into buyers. So now that you know why your cover matters more than most people think, let's talk about the 3 unbreakable rules that every best-selling KDP cover follows. Before we dive in, if you're looking to turn your ebook into a high-impact audiobook, just click the link in the description below to get started. When you look at the top-selling books on Amazon, they all follow 3 unbreakable design rules. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or a niche how-to guide, these principles don't just make a book look good, they make it sell better. Rule number 1, stand out at thumbnail size. Most shoppers are scrolling fast on mobile, and your book cover appears smaller than a credit card. If it's cluttered, too detailed, or low contrast, it gets ignored. To stand out, your design needs bold focal points, simplified structure, and colors that contrast clearly. Zoom out and test your cover. If you can't tell what it's about at a glance, redesign it. Rule number 2, typography is everything. Your title and author name must be instantly readable. Choose fonts that are clean and genre appropriate. Sans serif fonts work great for nonfiction. Serif or stylized fonts can add mood to fiction, but only if they're still legible. Prioritize contrast between text and background, and don't forget to use hierarchy. The title should dominate, not the subtitle or your name. Rule number 3, emotionally targeted imagery. Every genre has visual cues readers expect. Romance uses soft lighting and warm tones. Horror favors stark contrasts and eerie fonts. Self-help leans minimalist with bold typography. Your imagery should mirror the emotions your reader seeks, whether it's comfort, thrill, or transformation. Don't use vague stock photos that could belong to any book. Aim for clarity and emotional resonance. Following these 3 rules doesn't mean your design will be boring. It means it will be effective. And that's what makes a cover truly professional. Let's talk about the best part. You don't need Photoshop or expensive design software to create an amazing cover. In 2025, free tools are more powerful than ever. Here are the top platforms you can start using today. 1. Canva, free version. Still a fan favorite. Canva offers drag-and-drop templates sized specifically for KDP paperback and ebook dimensions. With thousands of free elements, fonts, and built-in alignment tools, you can craft a polished cover even with 0 design background. 2. BookBrush, created for indie authors. BookBrush lets you design not just covers but also promotional graphics. Their 2025 update includes more genre-specific templates and better customization in the free version, a huge win for new authors. 3. Kittle shines where Canva falls short, typography. If you're designing a fantasy, thriller, or romance cover and want stylized fonts or vintage aesthetics, Kittle gives you artistic flexibility without complexity. 4. Magic Mockups. A hidden gem. Magic Mockups lets you preview your cover on real-world items, like holding it in a reader's hand or on a bookstore shelf. It's a powerful way to visualize your design in action and catch issues early. 5. Pexels and Pixabay. These free stock image sites are essential. Search for high-quality photos and textures with commercial use licenses. Always verify, but most are safe for book covers. Pro tip: combine these tools. Create your layout in Canva, enhance the title in Kittle, and preview it in Magic Mockups. You'll create a cover that looks anything but free. Now, let's put everything into action with a real example. Imagine we're designing a non-fiction book titled Daily Focus: How to Get More Done Without Burning Out. Step 1. Open Canva. Choose a 6x9-inch KDP cover template. Canva has a few free ones that are simple and adaptable. Start with a layout that has a clear focal point and enough white space to avoid clutter. Step 2. Select a calming background color. Light gray or pale blue works well for nonfiction. Search on Pexels for a clean, productivity-themed image. Maybe someone writing at a desk sipping coffee, or a tidy planner with morning light. Position the image so it supports the message, not distracts from the title. Step 3. For the subtitle, use something softer like Open Sans Light. Center them, and be sure they're readable even at thumbnail size. Don't overcrowd. Spacing is everything. Step 4. Add accent elements. Add a geometric shape or underline in a bright contrasting color, orange, teal, or navy. This helps emphasize your title and draws the eye. Step 5. Export and test export at high-resolution 300 dpi and upload it to Magic Mockups. Look at your design in multiple settings, on a tablet, bookshelf, or in someone's hand. Ask, is it legible? On brand? Does it fit the category? Repeat and tweak. Remember, best-selling covers are designed, tested, and refined. Before you hit publish, run your cover through this quick-fire checklist. These questions can be the final filter between a good design and a truly professional, sales-ready one. 1. Does it pop at thumbnail size? Shrink it down to the size it appears on Amazon. Can you still read the title clearly? Does it visually stand out next to other covers in your genre? 2. Is the title the visual priority? Nothing should compete with your title. Not a busy background, not an oversized image. If your title doesn't command attention, it's back to the drawing board. 3. Does it fit your genre's visual language? Every genre has expectations. A thriller should look intense, not romantic. A children's book should be colorful and fun, not corporate. Make sure your cover matches your audience's instincts. 4. Is it clean and focused? Less is more. Avoid cramming too much in. Use white space to create balance and direct attention. A clutter-free layout looks polished and professional. 5. Have you tested it? Use platforms like PickFu or even social media polls. Real feedback beats guesswork. Small tweaks can lead to big results. One final tip: line up your cover next to the top 10 books in your category. If yours doesn't instantly belong, you've got more work to do. Nail this checklist, and your cover becomes more than a design. It becomes your book's best marketing weapon. You just learned how to design a high-converting KDP book cover, all without spending a single dollar. From the psychology behind what makes a cover stand out, to the best free tools of 2025, to actually walking through a real design, you now have the full blueprint. The truth is, most self-published authors skip this step or phone it in. They settle for good enough and then wonder why their books aren't selling. But not you. You now understand that your cover isn't just decoration, and it's your most important sales tool. So here's your challenge. Pick one of the tools we covered today. Canva, Kittle, BookBrush, whatever resonated with you. and start designing. Don't aim for perfect. Just aim to be better than the average. Because honestly, most KDP covers are forgettable. Yours won't be. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow authors, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff, value-packed videos on self-publishing and book marketing. Drop a comment below. What's your next book about, and what genre is it in?